Good morning, everyone. We are here in Alabama. Jeff is giving me the remote. He's gonna make me fly the plane again. So hopefully we have a better flight than what I did with my little sport cub. So let's go flying.
Just try to keep it in tight.
Well, if I could have got this far yesterday, where I would have been really happy.
There's no reason. There's no reason for a safe plane to act the way that one did.
I mean, I even made sure that thing wasn't safe. The lesson learned from that one time I took off and...
Yeah, you're safe with that, right?
I was like, man.
Just like my safety and apprentices are acting right. Once in a while. Takes me 2 minutes. 16
Timer start. Timer stop.
It survived, so... So any landing you can walk away is a good landing. Whoa!
That's what I'm saying. You gotta.
Whoa!
Just relax. Easy on the sticks. Easy on the sticks.
See, that's where I get in trouble.
Just be easy. No, right turn. Don't go way over the field. Just relax.
I'm trying. Woo! Eee. Whoa.
Timer stop. Instructor has control. Timer start.
Yeah, I don't know if intermediate's gonna work.
Put it back in.
Begin M mode. Timer start. Stop.
Got yours in begin?
Begin M mode.
Alright, here it comes.
Student has control. Timer start. Time remaining 7 minutes.
Woo!
It wasn't bad, but you see the difference, you know?
And that was only one step up. That wasn't like it went full on.
No.
Gee. See, but that's how mine's flying, like, and safe. Well, like, on my apprentice, when I took off, it did crazy, like, it didn't stay steady like this. Like, if I slam it all the way over, see, like, that's it.
Yeah.
Mine was, like, really... Well, I can't say I had too much problem with it, like, left and right, but, man, it would... See, like that?
Yeah,
that's
all
just...
the climate's gotten safe.
Not mine. The apprentice was doing that, just like what it just did here.
Huh.
So, I was going to practice littler inputs here. I still do that, get backwards on that damn. I guess in safe mode, it helps it keep its altitude too, huh?
Intermediate mode.
Yeah, because see, now when I'm turning, it wants to... Oh, it doesn't...
Slow it down just a little bit.
Timer stop.
What was going on?
Instructor has control. Timer stop.
What was it doing? Was there something you had a question about it was doing?
Oh no, I said like when you turn, it kind of knows. I guess in safe mode, it kind of helps keep the altitude.
Oh yeah.
Because I notice when I turn, it starts nosing down.
Yeah.
In the intermediate.
Yeah, because like, okay, I'll do a turn. I'm just doing a coordinated turn just a little bit, and a little bit of up elevator.
Yeah, so there's a little bit more in the way of steps when you're...
Well, okay, so this is just at speed and just the one stick. But see, I'm doing real smooth moves. All right, so I'll turn it around and get back to it. Do you want it intermediate still? Or?
Yeah, I'll try it. I know you'll save it.
Hopefully, yeah.
Oh. Yeah, maybe I'll stay safe for a while.
Begin M mode. Begin M mode.
Jeez. Oh shit.
Student
There you go. I had my throttle up. Repair, repeat.
Yeah.
Crash the light.
Timer start. Time remaining 1 minute. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Self-destruct. Oh.
He's circling around.
Yeah, I don't think that was gonna work.
When you were getting slow.
Timer start.
Speed. There you go. Now you can start coming off the speed. And you want it the other way with it.
Timer stop.
I'm not lined up. Oh well, I think we got it. We got it. It won't be close, but
Instructor has control.
That's it, I'm
Timer
turning
start.
around.
it's like handicapped. Holy crap! I think it was moving.
Oh, it took off there for a second. Too far to walk.
Try not to crash my own plane. I don't.
Smooth.
No.
Smooth.
No buddy box on this.
Just plan ahead. Plan ahead.
Unless I
Don't come down on the power.
I'm just gonna throw the remote at you. Something bad. Then I can blame you.
A little more power. There you go. Start thinking ahead about when you're going to plan on turning. A little more power. Keep coming through the turn. A little more power. There you go. Because you got stronger winds down there because you're coming across that open area. There you go. A little more power. Just a little more power. There you go. Start getting your left turn here. Just keep it smooth. Smooth. Coordinate the turn. There you go. Perfect.
I think the other one just seems to flies a little bit smoother than my own plane. Woohoo! Flying my own plane.
Alright, you got your left turn. There you go. Keep your speed up so you don't stall. There you go.
Yeah, rocking wings or not lifting wings. Well, I need to practice landings. Whoa. That's not gonna work.
Come back up. Come back up. More power. Power up. There you go. Just relax and get in your turn. There you go. Good job. I was going to say something about that. I forgot. Alright. If you're going to land, you're going to have to start churning and coming off the power. There you go. There you go. Just keep rolling back. Perfect. You're lined up pretty well on the runway. Just power off, coming, not off, but come back. You know, off, roll off the power.
Whoa, 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 yeah.
Gently roll off. Gently come off. Keep coming off. Keep coming off.
I'm off.
Yeah. With this wind, you need to, you know, you might need to add like a little right rudder bit. Like once you get it over the runway, you should just be able to just about like put the controller on the ground and it'll land.
That's not wanting to turn.
Yes, you probably got to take it out of safe because it's going to want a wind vane.
Yeah. Still in one piece. Yeah, the front wheel still looks like it turns.
Yeah. You take it out of safe mode, you'll get more turn on the wheels.
And plus I think you got that too.
You got throttle off?
Yeah. Whoa. Well, yeah, the wind.
Yeah.
It's rocking this thing even worse, I think. See, like when I turn on this one, it doesn't nose down like my Apprentice. Check it out. Oh, that's what we want to see fly. Check that plane out. Look at the wind's freaking.
Yeah, it's sending it around, man. Yeah, see,
Wow.
It pushed the way out on that turn even. Whoa, I had to keep it going into the wind because it wanted to push it, and there I wanted to push it over too.
See, if I do that, it's totally by accident. Usually doesn't turn out very well if I do that.
It almost flew. Yeah, see, it's wanting to drift. I kind of let it drift. Look, it's calling in the wind. It's going pretty good. I can't. I'm trying to decide if it's coming more from the right or the left. It feels like mostly more from the right. I'm straight across. All right, we'll keep this turn inside there.
Nice.
She's the drifter. A lot of rudder. So it worked well.
I did that yesterday. Kind of on autopilot.
That's not good when it. There's no wrong with it.
Show off. Man, that's nice.
Man, I had to use a lot of rudder to keep from pointing into the wind.
Yeah, I saw it. I was like, sideways.
Yeah, it's the drift.
Oh!
Rough road.
All right, so I'm not the only one. Yeah.
This one was rough, man. It happens all the time on this one. That's enough. My baby!
I am back home. My plane is here safe, so it was definitely a good day. I did have one hard landing with Jeff's plane. He turned around and said, "What happened?" And I was like, "You were supposed to take over, man." The wind had been picking up at that point of time, and when I was coming in trying to line up with the runway, to me, I don't know why, when something's coming at me towards the right, I have better control of it. When it's coming at me at the left, I get backward with it. I don't know why that is. So even like when I run my car here in front of the house, I always come from the right and go down because I find it easier than coming at me. I don't know why. I don't know why that is, but anyhow, so I'm coming in, I'm trying to line up, I'm trying to slow down a little bit, and I didn't listen to him. You know, he says reduce the power, but I throttled it all the way off, and I should have left some power into it, because as it was coming in, the gust of wind just really came out and stalled it, and by the time I tried to throttle it, it was too late. It just bounced off the ground. So I didn't videotape it, so he will have it on his channel. It'll probably be an older video because I'm a little behind on my videos, but yeah, so I kind of bounce hit that one into the ground pretty hard. Luckily, it's a sturdy plane. So I just want to thank Jeff a whole lot for taking the time, going out there with 2 remotes and that, and watching me fly instead of doing the flying yourself, and trying to help me gain some understanding and control and stuff like that of how to operate these planes, so I can become a better pilot and stop crashing them. And then maybe, hopefully, one day I can do loops and whatever stuff like he does. So thanks, Jeff. People like him that you know, it's good for the hobby to have. People that want to share that passion and pass it down. And maybe, you know, I'll get good enough, I'll find somebody that I can try to teach and mentor. So hopefully. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, shares, comments, appreciate it. It's all free of charge to do that. Check out the links down below. Got you some cool discounts. I've worked with some companies, and there's also some ways to help the channel if you so feel inclined to do so, because this hobby is a little pricey, so anything you can do helps. So let's subscribe, build the channel up, and let YouTube handle it. And don't forget, if you shop Amazon, use my store, I get a commission. It adds nothing to your cost, but it helps me out tremendously. All right, so thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.